In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix SHEIN cannot leave review. So let's get straight into the video. So if you cannot leave a review on SHEIN, it is generally because the order has not been confirmed. The 180 days review window has expired or the app needs an update. So the first thing you want to do is open your Me tab and then head to view all on my orders. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the specific order that has been shipped. And then you want to simply go ahead and click on the confirm delivery or confirm receipt button. Once you've confirmed it, the review or comment option should appear. If that is not the case, then it has already passed more than 6 months period that you have in order to go ahead and leave a review. If that is not the case, you might have no other options but to try to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.